Hey guys, here are 5 sounds that haven't been used in a while. Let's get started. We're gonna go from ones that have been used, mostly, till the ones that haven't been. And it's not gonna be how often they come back. It's like when the last of. You know what? Never mind. Let's just get started. The beat pad. So, I'm going to be drawing an emoji, a letter, a number, and an object. And I'm going to give you hints for each of them. Now, let's get started. Emoji. This emoji portrays sadness. This emoji sometimes is also used for laughing. You got your guess? Okay. I'm not going to reveal it till the end. Now the letter. This is commonly used for when something does well. And my second clue is it was used in that last sentence. Okay, got it. Now, number. This number is most people's favorite. This is also the lucky number in, I think, biblical stuff, I think. I don't know. Got it. And then finally, the object. This is a living thing. And, when the seasons change, this also changes. Okay. Now, starting off, the emoji was the crying emoji. Then the letter was W. The number was 7. And the object was a tree. Okay. Let's continue. Next up, pick a stick. Pick a number 1 through 17. I'll pick 12. If you pick 14, then you are out. Sorry, 14's out. Now pick a new number. New number. Do not pick the same one. Pick a new number. Okay. I'm gonna go 12. I'm just joking. I'm gonna go 9. 1. You picked 1, you're out. Pick a new number. I forgot to pick. I'll go 11. 17. Pick a number. I'll go 2. Archer. 2. 13. Okay. Pick a new number. I'll pick 3. 16. Pick a new number. I'll pick 15. 9. Alright, remember, 17, 16, 14, 13, 1, and 9, all of those are out. I'm going to go 10 this time. 10 still in you. 11. 4. 12. Okay, next up, I'm going to go 15. 5. Okay. Then, pick a new number. I'm going to go 7. 3. Alright, the numbers left are 2, 10, 7, 4, 15, 8, whatever this is, I'm just going to throw that out, and 6. I'm going to go 6. 2. You pick 2, you are out. 8. 4. There's only 5 left. final 5. 8, 15, 6, 7, and 10. I'm gonna go 6. No, I have to pick new ones. 7, 6. That was close. I'm gonna go 10. 8. Final 3. If you're still in, congratulations. We have 15, we have 10, and we have 7. Wait, didn't all 3 of these, weren't all 3 of these like the last one? Is this rigged? This is not rigged. No. But what are the chances of that? Okay. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna go 15. It was 10. Okay. Now you have to pick a new number. So I have to go with 7. And if you have to go and, well, I don't know what you picked last time, but if you pick 15, then we're gonna have a duel. I remember this happened before, like in the very first one. I won the duel that time. So, if you're still in, another duel. 7. 7! Congratulations, if you picked 15, you just beat me. And won. Alright, good game. Next up, we have one of the normal ones. Stamp. You guys love this one? And I'm surprised I haven't been using it lately. So you guys remember Ozzy the Octopus and Canadian Ozzy the Octopus. We also have Wally the Whale. But this is basically the same as the other 2. Okay. Next up, 2 more. Look here. Alright, look up, look up. Alright, look to the side, look. Alright, look this way, look. Alright, look here, look. Alright, look here, look here, look here, look. Alright, now down here, look to the side. And now just go crazy face. Okay, now the crazy face. Okay. And now chill. And now cool. Okay, wait. Hold it. Okay, and then last one. Go off of camera. Just completely get out of frame. Okay. Great. And now last but not least. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Hope you have a great day. Goodbye.